When I first pulled the LawnMaster MEB1216K out of its box, I was struck by how compact and lightweight it felt in my hands. At under 33 pounds fully assembled, with its fold-down push handles neatly stowed, it's a mower that feels built for convenience from the get-go. Gone are the days when I struggled to hoist a bulky gas engine onto uneven terrain. The MEB1216K's modest footprint promised to turn mowing my small suburban lot into something more akin to a leisurely stroll than a workout session. Assembly was refreshingly simple. The deck arrived with its 16-inch cutting blade already installed, and all I needed to attach were the two handle uprights, secured by hand-turned knobs. No screwdriver required. A quick fill of the provided oil and a plug into my nearest outlet for charging, and I was ready to go within 20 minutes of unboxing. The 12-amp electric motor sits serenely under the deck, waiting patiently for me to pull the cord-style start key. There's no choke to fiddle with, no gas to mix, and no lingering fumes, just a push of a button and the whir of a corded mower coming to life. The moment I engaged the throttle bar, the motor leapt to its rated 3,500 RPM and the steel blade spun with a reassuring thrum. I immediately steered it into a patch of early spring turf that had grown wild during a particularly rainy April. With a single pass at the 2-inch height setting, one of 5 cutting positions ranging from 1.4 inches up to 3 inches, the mower cleanly sheared through damp clumps of grass as if guided by a laser. A second pass at the lower 1.4-inch setting produced a neat, golf course strip along my driveway edge, leaving behind perfectly even rows and minimal feathering. Despite its plastic wheels, the MEB1216K rolls smoothly over most surfaces. Its 8.86-inch rear wheels and 5.5-inch front wheels grip uneven terrain well, allowing me to navigate slight slopes and garden bed borders without losing traction. On particularly lumpy ground, where stones or stumps lurk just beneath the soil, I found myself leaning forward slightly to ensure the blade deck maintained contact, but this is a complaint that applies to nearly any low to mid-price push mower. One of the biggest selling points for me has been the 8-gallon collection bag. Plenty of modern electric mowers skimp on bag capacity to save weight, but LawnMaster's design strikes a happy medium. I could mow my roughly 600 square foot backyard and only needed to empty the bag once midway through. Dumping clippings into a nearby compost bin was a simple lift and shake operation, no awkward unlatching or dust clouds, and snapping the bag back into place felt secure enough to avoid any stray clippings on the next pass. Customization of cut height is nearly effortless. A single lever near the front will adjust all 4 wheels across 5 notches. Whether I wanted a short, tidy trim for the front lawn or a tall and let it grow style in the backyard flower meadow, the transition took less than 10 seconds and no extra tools. That level of versatility means I can set different zones in the yard to different lengths, tailoring the look of my property without fuss. Despite the mower's light design, I did notice that when negotiating thicker, damp grass, the deck can feel a bit light if you try to go too fast. In those situations, a moderate walking pace produced the best results, trade-offs you'd expect when choosing a 16-inch, 33-pound model over heavier, commercial-grade machines. Even so, I never experienced stalling or bogging down, and the 12-amp motor maintained steady power throughout each session. Of course, as a corded mower, the MEB1216K does tether you to an outlet. My extension cord needed to span at least 50 feet to reach the back corners of the lot, and at times I felt that tug as I turned. For me, the lack of battery recharges or extra costs for replacement packs made this a worthwhile compromise. I simply moved the cord as I went, and the mower never lost power or had to pause mid-session. If you hate the hassle of cords, this model may test your patience, but I personally appreciated the always-on reliability it offers for under $125. Over several weeks of use, I've also been impressed by the mower's minimal maintenance requirements. Occasional rinsing under the deck to clear grass buildup, a seasonal check of the blade for sharpness, and the tightening of a couple handle knobs have been my only chores. In contrast to my old gas mower, which demanded oil changes, spark plug swaps, and carburetor cleanings, the LawnMaster feels nearly carefree. Its plastic housing shows no signs of rust, and the steel deck's powder coating has held up well against scratches and scrapes. No tool is without quirks, so I'll note a few minor drawbacks. First, If you attempt to pull the mower backward, the safety flap at the back prevents reverse operation until the grass clippings chamber clogs and loosens, an odd design choice that forces you to either lift and back up or temporarily remove the flap. Second, at 16 inches, you will make more passes than with a 20-inch deck on larger properties. Lastly, while the mower's handle folds down for compact storage, you must hand unscrew the knobs to collapse it, an extra step compared to models with quick-release levers. All told, the LawnMaster MEB1216K electric lawn mower packs a surprising punch for such an affordable package. Its combination of robust 12-amp power, 5 cutting heights, and an ample grass bag makes it a compelling choice for small lot homeowners, older users seeking a light tool, or anyone who wants to trade noisy, fume-belching engines for a clean, electric solution. At its current price of $123, it offers tremendous value. Think zero fuel costs, minimal maintenance, and a user-friendly experience that turns a once-dreaded chore into a relatively pleasant weekend task. If your lawn is under 10,000 square feet and you don't mind a cord, this mower deserves a close look, and it just might become the dependable, low-hassle workhorse your yard has